In modern industries, boiler systems are controlled automatically using PLC technology to maintain safe and efficient steam production. The industrial boiler heats water at extremely high temperatures to generate steam for factory machines and industrial manufacturing operations. Water enters the boiler through automated pipelines where industrial pumps and control valves continuously regulate the water supply. The PLC receives signals from multiple sensors and automatically controls the complete boiler operation in real time with high accuracy. Temperature sensors continuously monitor the boiler heat level to prevent overheating and maintain safe operating conditions throughout the system. Pressure sensors maintain balanced steam pressure inside the system for stable, safe, and reliable boiler performance at all times. The burner system automatically controls fuel combustion to generate the exact amount of industrial steam required for production. Operators monitor the complete boiler system through HMI screens displaying live pressure, temperature, alarms, and operating conditions. Generated steam flows through industrial pipelines to power factory equipment and support continuous manufacturing operations efficiently. Safety valves automatically release excess pressure to protect the boiler system from dangerous conditions and possible equipment damage. The PLC follows programmed ladder logic instructions to manage startup, shutdown, monitoring, and emergency safety operations automatically. Industrial technicians regularly inspect and maintain the boiler system to ensure smooth, safe, and uninterrupted industrial production processes. The high-pressure steam generated by the boiler powers turbines, industrial machinery, and large manufacturing systems with maximum efficiency. Modern PLC-controlled boiler systems operate continuously day and night without interrupting industrial production and factory operations. The PLC control panel acts as the intelligent brain of the complete industrial boiler automation and monitoring system. This is how PLC technology makes industrial boiler systems smart, efficient, reliable, safe, and fully automated for modern industries.